on all life for my bro, that's regardless. Realest car, we gon' park you know where I'm from, so don't get me started. Cause my bros are retarded, can say I'm the GOAT, but I feel I'm the hardest. Taking off like a rocket, my niggas be hitting, gon' knock out this knowledge. I'm not missing my target, I'm going.
Hey guys, it's Ty. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine that I just love doing so much. You're going to want to start out with a bare face like I did, and you're going to want to make sure that your hair is out of your way. Okay, I have some clips in and I'm putting my hair behind my ears. After that, you're going to want to get your primer. I use e.l.f. primer, and I make sure after I do that, I rub it all the way in. Because I have oily skin, I like to grab my Huda Beauty banana powder and put it on my face, on my problem areas, which is my cheeks and my T-zone area. After that, I do my foundation application. I am using NARS. Then I start blending in my foundation throughout my entire face. After that, it's time for concealer. I put it right underneath my eyes, on my chin, and also my forehead. And then you blend it all in. Your girl loves a bright under eye. Okay, so I add even more concealer. I use the same shade that I used before, but also I like to add an even lighter shade as well. And I blend it in. And now it's time for eyebrows. I know a lot of people do their eyebrows before they do their foundation, but for me, because I have thicker eyebrows, I tend to do it after foundation application. Eyebrows always take the longest for me, I swear. To really define them, I'm going to add some concealer at the arch of my brows. After that's done, I like to blend them in front to back. The top of the brows also have to be defined, so I like to go in with some of the foundation to really define them. Then it's definitely time to blend that as well. Now it's time for some contour. And your girl likes a lot of contour. I mean, in my opinion, it seems like a lot. But yeah, I like to make sure that my cheekbones are defined, my jawline is defined, the top of my forehead is defined. It just makes the face for me. Now it's time for blush, and let me just say I am very obsessed with Juvia's Place when it comes to contour and blush. They are top tier. Then I go back in with the contour from Juvia's Place to really contour my nose. To make sure I'm uber snatched, I like to grab some concealer and put it in the bridge of my nose. Then I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade 128. And now it's time for baking, okay? And I love this brand. I am using the shade Banana Bread. After I'm done with my chin, I'm going to let that bake and get into my lip tutorial. I'm going to start out with my lip pencil. Of course, it's a NYX brand and it is in the shade Rebel Kind. After that, I'm going to go in with my Profusion Matte Lip Cream. Then after that, I go in with my Beauty Supply lip gloss because it's really gonna take it there. It gives me the end result that I always love. And as you can see, it's very much giving. Finally done baking. Now I can get rid of the ghost face that I have going on right now. While doing my makeup, a lot of makeup tends to get on my lashes, so I like to go in with mascara to bring the color back. And then we are done. I mean, if you want to be done, you can be done. No lashes is a look too, but me, I need my lashes. But sometimes I do go for that natural look sometimes. But today, I'm gonna put on my lashes to really complete the look. Whew, okay, we have one lash on. Next lash, let's do it. And I like to blow on my lashes because I use hair glue. I know, most people say they don't use hair glue and all that, but look, when it comes to me, hair glue is the best. I don't have to worry about it hanging off throughout the night. It's gonna stay there all night. Baby, okay, give us the close-up. I am loving the lashes, okay? I like to put my lashes on with my hands, but you guys are more than welcome to use tweezers if that works for you. But for me, I have to make sure it's on there tight. And after that, I like to go in with mascara on my under eye to really bring the color back there as well. To finish off the look, I'm going to go in with my setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, making sure I look good in the mirror, and I'm giving. So this concludes the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe.